Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's drawing is of Ganesh ji. So while searching for a drawing of Ganesh, kind of for a drawing for kids or everyone, during this Ganesh Chaturthi festival, I thought Bal Ganesh drawing will be a fitting tribute to everyone involved during this Ganesh Chaturthi festival, and because of COVID-19 we are not able to celebrate this festival in that much pomp. Bal Ganesh is a 2007 computer animated musical feature film directed by Pankaj Sharma. The film is about the adventures and hijinks of Lord Ganesh. That's what Wikipedia tells us. For the drawing, I have done the under drawing with 2H pencil as I always do, and then the fine liner brushstroke markers. The brushstroke fine liner markers are very easy to use, so I have been a fan of brushstroke markers, and they are quite pocket friendly for us Indians, obviously. So is this marker is very much helpful, and it gives very good results. So the outline I have completed with the brushstroke 0.2 fine liner markers, and in some parts I have used the 0.12. So this gives precision and the outlines come very clear. If someone is willing to draw this, then in this video I have tried to keep it very simple and easy with steps. Very much as much possible I could do slow enough for the video and keep it interesting at the same time. So I think if you are willing to try it, then you guys can do it, and this would look really good. So my drawing at the end, it turned out nice for me. So I would suggest every one of you, whoever is willing to draw it, watch till the end and practice it from your end. Within 1 or 2 tries, you also will be able to achieve awesome results. In fact, if you can keep the proportions good, then I think you can do it better than me also. This animated series, I had seen it like when I was a kid, obviously like 10-11 years back, and it was very much interesting, and the animations are seriously very good. So if someone is interested, I would suggest you all to watch the movie too during this Ganesh Chaturthi festival, which is now around the corners. So for the drawing, I have not gone for colors. I have used the grey tones of the markers, the brush pens actually. I have used the Faber-Castell black brush pens and the grey ones. So this has come realistic enough. Obviously, since it is an animated character, it would come realistic as much as an animated character is supposed to come up. So a few shades of dark and light can give any drawing a very realistic look. So I used the same technique here in this drawing as I always do for portraits too. This was a fun journey because I have not been doing too much of animated or comic style drawings nowadays. So Bal Ganesh drawing was seriously interesting for me too, and I loved executing it. Your comments would be very much encouraging if you guys would let me know things that I need to improve or anything that you have liked within the video. Most importantly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to it. And if you have liked this video, then please hit the like button. If you have disliked it, that's also fine. You can just let me know in the comment section what you have not liked and what things, as I said, I can improve. I would try to improve in the next video again. So that's all from my end for this drawing of Ganesh ji, Bal Ganesh to be specific. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone, and let's hope that we all can come out of this COVID-19 situation and celebrate all the festivals again with same amount of pomp and joy. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye.